In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could set up Please Donate here on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, leave Please Donate if you're already in it. And what you're going to want to do is actually just open up the web browser version of Roblox by searching up roblox.com/home. And once you're on the web version of Roblox, go ahead and select create all the way up in the very top. Now look on this left-hand sidebar because there's going to be a lot of things that pop up. Go ahead and select creations, and in your creations, find your place on here or an experience. If you don't have one, you may have to hit create experience and make sure that it is public. But once you go ahead and have a public experience, open it up and scroll down on this page until you see the option for monetization. From here, go ahead and select passes and go ahead and hit create a pass. From here, give that pass a name, give it a picture if you would like it to have a picture, and give it a description if you want it to have a description as well, and then go ahead and hit create pass. After doing that, return to the main passes screen right here and find whatever pass you just created. I do want to say this is also free to go ahead and do. Here's the one that I just made though, the boss pass. Go ahead and open that pass up and then look on that left-hand sidebar again. And this time go ahead and select sales. From here, make sure that you list the item for sale and put a default price on it as well. Just keep in mind, Roblox is going to take a cut of whatever you make. They take about 30%. So if you make it $10, you're only going to get 7 Robux instead of 10. That's because Roblox takes 3. I also recommend enabling regional pricing, but after doing that, hit save changes all the way down here. And now you can go ahead and return to Please Donate, where once you get loaded into the game, all you have to do is walk up to one of these stands, interact with it, and that pass will be immediately created. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.